Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning, Happy New Year. Welcome to our first Drone Weekly News Roundup of 2023. Before we get started with this week's stories, I wanted to let you know this will actually be my last week hosting this Roundup video series. We are expanding our team this year over at UAV Coach. We hired this great guy, Adam. You're going to meet him in a second. He's going to be your new host for the Drone Weekly News Roundup. I wanted to let you know how much fun it's been to share these stories with you. We started doing this. We launched this video series back in July of 2021, so about 18 months ago. And it's just been a great way to connect with so many of you and to highlight the wild and crazy and inspiring stories in this fun little corner of the drone industry world that we all live in. Okay, so Adam is really cool. We're very excited to be working with him. I will let him introduce himself. Take it away, sir.
Thanks, Alan. Hey everyone, my name is Adam and I am so excited to start hosting this series. Like Alan mentioned, I'm the new content creator for UAV Coach, so you'll be seeing me around a lot more, both on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I actually took the Drone Pilot Ground School course 2 years ago and was able to pass my Part 107 exam on the first try. So to be able to now work with this company is so awesome. A little background on me, I grew up in the San Diego area and then moved to Las Vegas a few years ago, so I have experience with flying around beaches and the desert. I have a DJI Air 2S and have also been doing landscape and night photography for the past 6+ years. I've gotten the opportunity to work with some really awesome clients like the Lark self-cleaning water bottle as seen on Shark Tank, Good Somerville shirts, Leo Photo tripods, Homes.com, and I even was the youth scholarship winner for the International Nightscaper Conference in 2021. So if you have any questions regarding the photography, videography, and editing side of drones, make sure to ask them in the comments. And to kick this off, I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story is about the Ford Motor Company and how they've been slowly filing patents for drone technology. The latest patent is for methods of operating drone flights over public roadways. Some other patents that they've picked up are a collaborative system between an unmanned aerial vehicle and an automobile, a jump start system that would use drones, and a vehicular drone storage compartment system. Now, of course, filing all of these patents does not mean Ford will actually build the technology, but it is an indicator that they do see drones in their future. The next story is a nod to all of you. We recently posted on Instagram asking, what are your 2023 goals as a drone pilot? Our goal for this post is to have you start thinking about the new year and what it means for you and your drone. Some of the top comments so far have been to make more money with their drone and pass the Part 107 exam. So make sure to check out that post and comment your drone goals for the new year. Our last piece of news for this week is what some would call a Christmas miracle. In a heartwarming holiday story, the search and rescue team in Weber County, Utah, helped rescue a dog named Nala that had been lost in the snowy mountains on Christmas Day. Nala went missing the day before, and its owner was able to find her early the next morning, but was not able to get to where she was located because of the conditions. By using a drone, the search and rescue team was able to find a way to reach Nala and reunite her with her owner, making it a very Merry Christmas rescue. So, shout out to Weber County's search and rescue team for finding and returning Nala safely. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our YouTube channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about Ford's potential involvement with the drone industry? And what are some of your drone goals for the new year? Comment down below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And again, I am so excited to join this team and start hosting this series. I hope you all have a great weekend and a great start to the year. And to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.